Hey y'all, are y'all ready for my liquid gold juice for health? Now this juice is going to have you feeling youthful and vibrant. It's full of so many vitamins and antioxidants that is going to just have you feeling rejuvenated and fresh. If you've been watching my juicing series, you guys know I've done a green juice, a beet juice, an orange juice. Honey, we're going to be doing all of the colors, okay? So this is the fruit that I'm going to start out using. However, I am holding a surprise one till the end, and I'm going to wash them well with my Dr. Bronner South Suds just to try to remove any residual residue. Honey, I cannot afford all organic everything, so I just wash everything really good. Now, this pineapple was on its last leg, okay? But it still had a leg. So I just cut it up to see if it was good enough to use. The end was looking a little beat up, okay? But the inside, you know what? Once I cut off the skin and got off any parts that were bad, it actually tasted really great. So I'm going to use 2 pineapples today. The fruit that I chose for this juice is supposed to support a youthful glow. And I chose things that were very high in vitamin C. Now, a lot of people think of oranges when they think of vitamin C, when you should be thinking about the Sun Gold Kiwi. They have 3 times the amount of vitamin C as an orange. And the reason why vitamin C is so important is because vitamin C helps in the formation of collagen. Collagen is what helps your skin look plump. It helps reduce wrinkles. It gives you that nice glow. And vitamin C is actually vital to the production of collagen in your body. I also chose fruits that were very high in antioxidants, and I saved the fruit that's the highest in antioxidants till the end, and you're going to see that one later. Antioxidants are so important because they reduce free radical damage in your body, also reduce oxidative stress and inflammation. The reason why I threw in this grapefruit is because I had it at the house, but my husband said I had to tell you guys that the grapefruit will add a bitter taste to your juice. So if you can't handle the bitterness of grapefruit, you can leave this out because we have so many fruit in here that add a similar nutritional profile as the grapefruit. Please let me know in the comments if you all have been enjoying my juicing recipes. I have so much enjoyed putting these together for you guys. And make sure when you're consuming juices, you just know how much your body can handle. I typically have about 1 cup or half of a cup a day. It really only takes a small amount for you to get that vitamin intake and those nutrients. So don't just think you have to be consuming tons and tons of juice. When it comes to just cleaning you out and doing your body right, ginger and turmeric cannot be beat. Turmeric is the king of anti-inflammation. So definitely make sure if you can get the fresh stuff, you throw that in there. So let me tell y'all about this juicer I got. So this was a juicer that someone recommended to me. This is like a big mouth juicer. It's a centrifugal reducer, so I believe it juices by spinning the juice really quickly. And so I have mixed feelings about this juicer, okay? I've used it a few times, but I find that the pulp tends to be a little bit too wet for my liking. Also, you are going to see that the juice comes out a little bit foamy. Like, what is going on here, guys? I have never had foamy juice. You guys know that I have been just blending this with a blender and then straining it in a nut milk bag. And I'm not really sure how I feel about all of this foam. So I'm really considering trying a different like slow macerating juicer instead of this one. Now on the flip side, this one will juice super fast. So literally a pineapple is eliminated in like 10 minutes. And the foam does die down, especially overnight as I let it rest. But y'all, tell me what you guys think. Okay, I don't know if I'm ready to spend like $500 on a juicer. I think I'm gonna go back to my blender. Once I finished juicing all of the fruit, I realized that it was a bit too pulpy for me. So I ended up straining it in a nut milk bag anyway. And you guys are going to see that I actually got quite a bit of pulp. Now, I don't hate pulp in juice. I do know it has fiber and all that. But I feel like if I'm going to use a juicer, I'm kind of expecting there to be like almost no pulp. Kind of like when I do the blender. So I just head back to my blender. Now I am going to show you guys the secret ingredient that is going to step up the antioxidants to the next level, and it is passion fruit. The only way this is readily available to me is in the frozen section, but it is pure passion fruit, and I love this brand. It has tons of antioxidants as well as magnesium. And I am going to just blend this with a little bit of coconut water just to break up the passion fruit pieces a bit. You do not have to use coconut water, but I did have it at the house. I love coconut water because it's full of potassium, especially after I work out. It's really great. It's just rejuvenating me. You could instead, though, just pour in a little bit of the juice and just blend it just for a few seconds just to break up the passion fruit pieces. If you don't have a blender, then just let it melt into the juice, and then I am going to add that in as well. I love this juice, and of course, feel free to make any changes that you want. Just make sure that you include a few fruits that are high in vitamin C and antioxidants, and you will be good to go. I'll see you next time in Kamira's Kitchen. Goodbye, and God bless.